Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Tinsipen Airport by Newport West, and we're going to show you one of the parking areas for the Kingston Wharf. Now they plan to build a massive parking garage out by the Kingston Wharf. As you know, the wharf is going to be expanded and it's going to take up this area. Well, not take, it's going to incorporate this area into the wharf. The airport is moving. Now, the Port of Kingston is the largest transshipment port in the Caribbean, the largest, and it's at capacity. The Port of Kingston moves 170,000 cars a year, and that number is set to increase. So they're going to be building a 5-story parking garage that can hold 10,000 cars. Now, these cars won't be coming to Jamaica. They will be left at the port until another ship comes along to collect them. So let's say a ship comes through the Panama Canal with cars for, say, Asia. They leave the cars in Jamaica as a transshipment hub. Another ship coming through the canal or another ship picks it up and takes it on its journey. So the Port of Kingston is a major transshipment hub. And as we said, it's at capacity. So they are moving the airport so that the Port of Kingston can use this land so that they can expand the port. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The construction of a new multi-story car park at Newport West in Kingston marks a pivotal step in Jamaica's drive to expand and modernize its logistics and port infrastructure. Spearheaded by Kingston Wharves Limited, this development is strategically designed to support the island's growing role as a regional hub for motor vehicle transshipment. At the heart of the project is the need to accommodate the expanding volume of car cargo passing through the Kingston port. KWL, which handles over 170,000 motor vehicle units annually, has seen an increase in demand for auto shipment services, particularly to countries such as Australia, New Zealand, and the emerging Indian market. In response, the company is developing a 5-story steel structure capable of housing up to 10,000 car equivalent units once both phases of the project are completed. The first phase of the project is expected to provide space for approximately 1,800 to 2,000 vehicles and is valued at US $15 million. The structure will be built in 2 phases. Phase 1 will include the ground level and 2 upper floors, while Phase 2 will complete the remaining levels to bring the facility to its full capacity. KWL has already wired a US $400,000 deposit to a Spanish contractor for the detailed design work, with construction expected to commence around September 2025. Discussions are ongoing about potentially merging the phases to streamline the project and accelerate delivery. Beyond the physical dimensions, the car park holds broader strategic significance. It is part of KWL's wider modernization agenda, which includes offering value-added services such as vehicle cleaning, battery charging, and inspection. The construction of the new multi-level story car park at Newport West represents more than just expansion of parking capacity. It is a strategic investment in Jamaica's future. By enhancing the efficiency and scale of vehicle handling at Kingston Wharves, this development supports economic growth, job creation, and global competitiveness. As the country continues to position itself as a gateway for trade and logistics in the Western Hemisphere, projects like this will be critical in laying the foundation for sustainable development and prosperity. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.